updated Modulate magnetic fabric display system offers 14 shapes, sizes, and styles you can mix and match to design a display that's uniquely yours. This reconfigurable system is perfect for corporate events, trade show exhibits, and for placement in interior environments like retail stores, office spaces, or corporate lobbies. The Modulate system couples lightweight aluminum tube frames with pillowcase fabric graphics to create a seamless look. New twist lock feet and push-button connectors on the frame create an extremely fast setup with no tools required. This magnetic frame system uses high-powered internal magnets that make configuration easy by simply placing your desired frames side by side or next to one another. With a variety of frame sizes, you can incorporate storage areas, conference rooms, and divider walls as you see fit. Modulate's adaptable display system caters to your evolving needs. The superior twist lock feet, a feature unique to our display system, is compatible with each frame and allows for simple toolless assembly. Once assembled, the feet align either inward as stabilizing feet or outward to connect other frames in the configuration. If you'd like to learn more about our reconfigurable Modulate display system, visit us online or contact one of our sales reps today.